Hi everyone, today we're gonna work on le mesure de grandeur. It's in French, so we're gonna learn how to measure the stuff. Salut mes amis, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Bote bandeko nyonso boza kolanda nga. Lelo na kokoach bino ndenge to measure ka partie ya tobenga yango le mesure de grandeur. Eza ba biloko moko école primaire, okay? So, yeah. So we're gonna learn like how to measure the weight. So in French we say le kilogramme, le hectogramme, le decagramme. I learned this way back in the day. Okay, so we say le mesure de grandeur. I don't pronounce this. I don't pronounce this. I don't need to pronounce this. I'm just saying le mesure de grandeur. Okay, so this one we say the multiple. Don't worry about this. Don't worry about pronouncing this, but you have to write it. Okay, this one you don't have to pronounce it. You don't have to pronounce this. So le multiple. You see here le multiple et les sous-multiples du gramme. Okay, here we have le multiple du gramme sont. We have les kilogrammes. Here, silent. We link this hectogramme. We have le decagramme. Okay, so that's what I end up putting the other one. Il existe deux autres multiples du gramme pour les poids lourds qui sont comparés au kilogramme. Hein? So we have those one. You're gonna hear in French they say la tonne. Okay? And then we also have les sous-multiples du gramme sont. We have le décigramme, we have le centigramme, we have le multigramme. So we have to watch out for this symbol, okay? This one, you have to watch out for this, okay? So that's why I end up putting like this. That way, you know, some of you have an idea. Sometimes you're gonna see they give you the math. They can put something like this, for example, let's say 1 kilogram, 1 kilogram, this one, 2 gram, like this. And then you have to give the answer. What is it? So most of the time when they put like that, so you're gonna have an idea. So here I put multiple. Here I put unité. Here I put multiple. Okay, so that way you have an idea. So in some situation you're gonna see like this. Okay, for example, here 1 kilogram, and then here we have a gram, 1 hectogram, decagram. So we need to know how we end up finding this answer like this. Okay? So when you take a look, we have 1 kilogram. Okay? We have this one. Yep. So when you take a look, we have 1 kilogram. So it's right here. Right there, 1 kilogram. So we want to go to gram here. So what are we gonna do to find? You see here, this one is right here, right there. So this is 0 here, here, here. That's why we end up getting 1,000 kilogram. Huh? I mean gram. This one is gram. Okay, this one is a gram. This one is 1 kilogram. So we're going from 1 kilogram to gram. That's why we end up getting this. Now, to go to 1 hectogram, right here, to gram, so we're gonna go 0, 0. Now, we have 1 decagram right here, and we're going to gram right here. And that's why we get that 10. Now, we have this one is right here, 1. and we're going to kilogram. Now go 0, 0. That's why we get 100 kilogram. Now when we go to ton, this one, we're gonna go from here to kilogram. So we're gonna count 4, 4, 0. And that's why we get this 1000. Now we have 1 decagram. Okay? I mean, this one is right here. We're gonna go to gram. Now be careful. When you take a look, when I'm doing this, I'm going from left to the right. Now I'm gonna go from right to left. So this one, you have to be careful. Okay, this one. So I'm right here. I'm right here. Let me clean this. So this is what we're doing. 1 decagram. So from here, we're gonna go from 1 to gram. Here, when we're going from right to the left, don't forget to put this comma. Okay? Now we're gonna go this one centigram and to the gram. So it's right here. And we're gonna go from 0, 0. Don't forget to put comma. That's the one. Now this one, we're gonna write from right to the left. 1, and we're going right here. 4, 4, 0. Don't forget to put comma. Yeah, that's how we do it. So the key here, it's I don't want to say to memorize this table, because to memorize, you're forcing your brain to have something that they don't want to have it. Because when you memorize something, it means that you don't know. But when you know something, you don't have to memorize. You see the differences? By knowing something and memorize is not the same. Because when you memorize something, it's easy to forget it. But my advice to you guys, try to know it and practice. To me, if you want to watch this a few times, you should be okay. All right? Because I don't want you guys to memorize. So I don't want you guys to memorize. Okay? So this one is milligram. Okay? So the video is not that long, so I'm gonna stop here for today. In case you don't understand, email me or text me. I'm gonna try my best as I can to help you guys. So you guys take care. Bye bye.